back 8th class students. Now this is our last chemistry session before the summer break. And now before this video lecture is purposely and mainly for project suggestions, to give you suggestions regarding the projects. But before going to project, I would like to just recall those things that we have completed all the 3 chapters, all the question and answer. Now I was sending notes because you were not having books at the initial stage. So those who have written the notes in the fair copy, it's okay. Those who have not written, there is no need to write the notes in the fair copy. Diagrams are to be made in fair copy as per the chapters, and the book exercises and the objective ones are to be done in book only with pencil, and the question and answers are to be done in school fair copy. Now, and just few days back I have sent you some think and answer question in a combined manner of all the 3 chapters. So I have already instructed that that is to be done in a school copy or fair copy after you have completed all the 3 chapters, means after the completion of the 3rd chapter, after the completion of the question and answers of the 3rd chapter, you have to write it, but you have to do in rough copy. When I will send the answers of those questions, then you have to recheck it, you have to evaluate yourself, and then you have to write it in your school copy. So that should be very much clear to you all, dear students. Means the think and answer question and the related ones you have to do in your school. No, you don't have to do in your school fair copy, you have to do in rough copy, and when I will send the answers, then you have to do in your school copy. So hope that should be very fine and clear to you all. Now let us talk about the project. Now project, you have to make 200-page register, combined register, one register, and you can go for as many decorations as you can, use as many colors you need. You can paste beautiful related pictures, diagrams. You can make your project of summer in, basically I would like to, in 8th class I would like to call it holiday assignment, summer holiday assignment, not the project. So you can decorate your summer holiday assignment register very well, the front, the back, and in between you can use different colors. Anything is allowed, but it should be related to the topic. That is very important. Now you have to make 200-page register. Then the first page, the first page of the register should be index, and in that index you will mention all the subjects. Means English page number this to this, English 2 page number this to this, chemistry page number this to this, history page number this to this. So, and then you have to leave one serial number, name of the subjects, page number, and then a column should be there, sign of the related subject teachers. So that is very important. Again I am repeating, the first page should be serial number, name of the subjects, page number, and then you have to leave a space that is to be for the sign of the subject teachers. So, and on the front, the copy, the register which is there, that you have to, suppose if this is your 200-page register, so you have to write the name, your class, your roll number, and session 2020-21. And then after, this is the index part. So see, columns are given there. So 1, 2, 3, then the name of the subject, then page number, and then signature. You can use this pro forma signature at the last, the signature of the subject teachers. So signature of the subject teachers. So that way you can proceed. And now when you will start with your, so you have to write, now 5 marks are there. So it should be very well properly made, and it should be very well relevant. Now we have in chemistry, when you talk about chemistry, we have 2 questions, question number 1 and question number 2. So each question contains 2 parts, that is part A and part B. So both are compulsory. What I am saying, you have to attempt either question number 1, either question number 2. But each A and B part of question 1 or A and B part of question 2, both are compulsory. It's one question you have to select, but both parts you have to do. And in both parts you have to, one is related to the preparation of hydrogen gas and carbon dioxide gas. So you have to choose the preparation, relevant all steps, all the chemical reactions, all relevant diagrams properly made and properly labeled. Then if you pick question number 2, then the part is of hard water and soft water, and then we have different types of following chemical reactions. So all the relevant reactions, all the theory part, each and everything should be written in a very well manner. So I hope now there should be no confusion. So that's all about the 8th class summer holiday assignment. And when school will reopen, you have to submit this to your class teacher, and all the teachers will be one by one, they will be, that's our job. We will be checking it and we will be giving the marks. So one register is to make, index is very compulsory, and the index, there should be a column, index also, and there should be a column for the sign of the subject teachers. So I hope you have got my point, dear students. So thank you very much. And one message I would like to give you, that utilize your holidays, don't waste your time, completely utilize your holidays in going for all the subjects, and best of luck for your holidays.